Once upon a time, in the magical land of Equestria, there were two regal sisters who ruled together and created harmony for all the land. But as time went on, the younger sister became resentful. The ponies relished and played in her elder sister's daylight, but shunned and slept through her beautiful night. As punishment, she was locked away in the moon forever. But it was prophesied on the longest day of the 1000th year, the stars would aid in her escape. Now, Nightmare Moon is free again and has spread the night throughout Ponyville, capturing most of its residents in the darkness of nighttime. Luckily, Twilight Sparkle was able to escape. It's up to Twilight Sparkle and her friends to free Ponyville from Nightmare Moon's grasp and bring light and friendship back to the land.